Hey, you guys, how are you? Welcome to Travel Buddies. Here, we show the real image of Iran, especially Tehran. You know, it's the last week of the Iranian year. Iranian year starts with the spring and ends with winter. And this is the last week of winter. The weather is just a bit chilly. It's not that cold anymore. So, you can go out more easily to do your tasks, such as shopping for the new year. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us on Instagram using the link in description. So, have you shopped yet? If yes, write what you bought in the comments. Do you know what color is more popular this year? They say it's peachy. It's like sort of pink and it's a mixture of pink and orange. You can use this color in your clothing items or a house furniture or items like curtains or bed sheets or even little candles on a table. It's calming. Anyway, have you set your Haftzin table yet? Haftzin table contains 7 items that starts with S in Farsi. Do you know about them? Write in the comments. We'll tell you later, not now. So, what do you think of today's location? It's a shopping center called Milad-e-Nur. This shopping mall is one of Tehran's famous centers that people visit from all places. It has many known brand shops in it, and you probably will have enjoyable experience there. It's located in Shahrak Gharb in Tehran, and currently about 357 stores are active. If you're interested in clothes, fashion in general, accessories, jewelry, shoes and bags, and etc., then this might be a good option since it has so many brand shops. And it's popular because it's been known for selling original and high quality products. Fun fact, there are multiple shopping centers in Iran, like in Tabriz and Qom and other places that are called Milad-e-Nur as well. It has 6 stores, like 6 floors, which the top floor looks like European centers, and I cannot name every brand, but some are like Nike, Adidas, Dolce & Gabbana, and etc. And the top floor also has a food court which has the best qualities, like international restaurant. It serves international food. And if you want to access here, you can always use cab and bus and get off on Sanada Square, walk about 10 minutes. Using subway is the same, and you can always use your own car if you have. The center has its own Instagram page, so whenever it had problems or there's something you need to know, you can always check it out to know if you're able to go there. Yeah, that's a wrap. Take care and spread love throughout the last days of this year. Lots of love, Travel Buddies.
Les 5 minutes de Saint-Charles vont nous